guys, I'm Amazing Charles, and today we're going to prepare Crema de Fruta. And the ingredients are ripe mangoes, Alaska condensed milk, all-purpose cream, 2 of them. We have 2 packs of honey graham crackers. And we have 1 pack of crushed honey graham crackers. And we have classic marshmallows. No cornstarch taste. So then we're gonna mix mix all these together. The mangoes are sliced and we pour, and in this bowl we have the crushed honey graham crackers. And now I'm going to pour both of these into a larger bowl. So let's pour it. Okay, so then we're going to mix them. We're going to mix it all together. Look, it'll be mixed. Mix it well. Oh my God, it's so deep. Okay guys, it's already mixed. Look at that, it's mixed. So now I have to line the honey graham crackers. We're gonna put it in this rectangular box. So wait. So here about 3. So each of these at the side are 3. Yeah, are 3. So 3 here. Oh, oops, it was upside down. Okay, so yeah, you need to have 12 to do one thing of it. So now we're gonna pour this. So now we're gonna pour this onto the graham crackers, yeah. Now we're gonna pour the crushed honey graham crackers. Yes, crushed in here. Oops. a good layer here. Voila! We did it. Now we just need, I think, to make it like smooth. So, or we can just add. Okay, so now let's just add mangoes. Now we're gonna add more mangoes. So okay, more. A couple more, and I think that's fine. So, okay. So now we're gonna add another. Okay, so in this layer we're gonna add even more of this. So guys, we've already made 4 layers, and we think that's the final topping. And now we're going to add marshmallows. Actually, no, this first. I'm gonna add this layer. I'm now in a mountain. Ho, hee, ho, ho. I'm smoothing it out. Wait, wow. So now, and now, the last one, the marshmallows. Now, is this a bad idea? Oops, I had 2 of them fell. Wait. Still gonna add the last ones. So, yeah. And this will be, oops, they fell. Okay, it was not that dirty. Okay, so now we have the finished product. This is the Crema de Fruta. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit that notification bell, and bye guys. Bye bye.